Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm just going to give you a quick little introduction to our new customer insertion page. So we can actually have it on a tablet walking around. So instead of using the PDA or using the till itself, you can actually walk around with a tablet which has got an actual bespoke page built just to fill out customers' details. You can even add in their pets as well, which is really handy for the pet industry. So what I'll do, I'll quickly show you it now. So there you have it. So literally you can get all this set up. Obviously you've got to contact support, and support will be able to show you how to get all this set up. Well, all it basically does is just another way to insert customers into your system that's a little bit more up to date, shall we say. So you can walk around with an iPad or any sort of Android or Windows tablet and actually have this page up. And you can physically have a hand it over to the customer. They can sign up for it as well. So literally just fill out their details like so. Same obviously you can add in any pets as well, which could be really handy for the pet industry. This is always getting evolved, so more and more things will be added to it. So there's more interesting things you might require for a customer sign up that we will be adding it to it. And then obviously once you've completed all these details, like so, you can literally just click on submit form, and then obviously they'll add directly to your database, so then you'll be able to straight away access them and actually put them onto sales or even market to them as well if they wish to as well. So just more of a quick heads up really that this thing does exist and you can actually get it all set up. If you contact support, we can get it all set up for you. And there you have it. Do hope that's been helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Check it out next time. See you now.